Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about beer in Austria. First, we learn typical types of Austrian beer. Second, we check out the amounts you get in Austrian bars or restaurants. And third, we take a look at beer in supermarkets. So, let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to get an insight into the topic beer in Austria. In general, beer means bier in Austrian German. The pronunciation is very similar, but the spelling is slightly different. First of all, let's start with some common types of beer in Austria. Märzen. Märzen is a traditional Austrian lager-style beer. It's characterized by medium to full body, malty flavor, and a dry finish. Historically, Märzen was brewed in March, hence the name, which means März in German. It was kept in cool cellars over the hot summer months. Zwickli beer is an unfiltered lager beer. It is typically served directly from the tank, giving it a fresher and slightly cloudy appearance compared to filtered lagers. In this context, you see the term ungefiltert, meaning unfiltered. Next, Weizenbier or Weißbier. Weizen or Weißbier, meaning white beer, is a wheat beer style that is popular in Austria as well as in Germany. Weißbier is brewed with a significant proportion of wheat malt, which gives it a creamy texture. Weizenbiers often exhibit flavors of banana and clove derived from the specific yeast strains used during fermentation. Dunkles Bier or Malzbier. Dunkles Bier, which translates to dark beer, refers to a range of dark lager styles that are brewed in Austria. These beers typically have a brown color and show rich malt flavors, with hints of caramel, chocolate, and roasted grains. Despite the darker appearance, dunkle Biere are usually smooth and balanced with a clean finish. Bockbier. Bockbier is a very strong beer. Bockbier is brewed for special occasions, like Christmas or Easter. Bockbier. Kraftbier. Kraftbier is a category for creative kind of beers. Especially small breweries are able to produce awesome masterpieces. The next two types of beer might be seen a bit skeptical by beer lovers. On the one hand, alkoholfreies Bier, which means there is no alcohol in it, alkoholfreies Bier. On the other hand, the so-called Radler, which is a beer mixed with lemonade. In most cases it's Almdudler. Now let's take a look at the size of the glasses and the amounts you get in Austrian bars or restaurants. Half a liter of beer is called a halbe or a Krügel. Halbe or Krügel. A third of a liter is called Sätel or Säl. Säl, which is also a last name in Austria. And a fifth of a liter is called a Pfiff. A Pfiff. If you're not that thirsty but you want to drink some beer, a Pfiff. In Bavaria, it's common to drink a März or a Moss, which is said in Bavaria. This means this is 1 liter. In supermarkets, you find beer in bottles and cans. In most cases, you get half a liter. If you want to drink more beer, you get a Kiste, eine Kiste Bier, a beer Kiste. If you don't want to have that much, you take a Sixertragel with 6 bottles of beer in it. I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic beer in Austrian German. If you're interested in Austrian food or drinks, please check out my playlist with the videos about this topic. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Prost.